Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix error code of 12 does not match checksum when installing games.
Fix 1. Download the game file. Step 1. Cancel the current installation. Step 2. Delete the partially downloaded game files. Step 3. Download the game again from the official source. Fix 2. Verify game files. PC launchers. Step 1. Open your game launcher. Steam Epic Battle. Net. Step 2. Go to Library Games Settings. Step 3. Click Verify Repair Files. Fix 3. Check Internet connection. Step 1. Restart your modem router. Step 2. Use a stable wired or strong Wi-Fi connection. Step 3. Avoid pausing the download. Fix 4. Disable antivirus temporarily. Step 1. Turn off antivirus or real-time protection. Step 2. Install the game. Step 3. Enable antivirus after installation. Fix 5. Clear launcher cache. Step 1. Close the game launcher. Step 2. Clear its cache from settings or app data.